Guys, it's Jake over at Jordan Bikes, and today I'll be showing you around this beautiful Honda CBR1000RR Fireblade. So here it is. It's a 2011 on an 11 plate with 15,563 miles on. And as you can see, it is an absolute beauty. So it is an official Repsol bike. It's got the really nice Moto Grafix protective kit on there. You've got the rad guard on there, you've got the sliders, the seat cowl. You've also got that carbon hugger, which is a really nice addition. So this one has actually got ABS. It was optional back when these first came out. And it's just a really nice bike. You've got a tail tidy on there. You've got absolutely everything you could need. But it's a really nice bike. You can't see it hanging around long. If you are interested, just give us a call or comment down. Thank you.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.